We have a camo bear. Owen, look. Oh, he's smiling. Don't eat it. That's the display one.
Owen told me he wanted to look for a job, so we're going to go out on the stroller and see if we can find anything. Any thoughts? He can't do much except eat, sleep, or poop, so, kind of limited on the search, aren't we, buddy?
Alright, we have decided to go to the aquarium in Grapevine today. Yay! First, we're going to go out to eat somewhere for lunch. There's Grandma Shelly. Hi! And little Owen's chilling back there in his car seat. First time at an aquarium. Woohoo! Hi, Owen. I guess Timmy's checking the mail. I don't know what he's doing. But yay, here we go. This is where we decided to go eat. At Grapevine Mall. Sleepyhead. Some cool artwork. Very cool. Haven't been here in a long time. And we haven't even been to this one. It was a different one, I think, in San Antonio. Well, there's the aquarium right there on the inside. Timmy's showing Owen around the restaurant. Getting him prepared for what he's going to see at the aquarium. The rainbow, so cool. If you guys have never eaten at Rainforest Cafe, you should definitely do it. It is a little bit on the pricey side, but their food is really awesome. Are you going to be able to finish it?
I don't think so.
She got turkey sandwich.
Yes.
I got a Philly. Someone's awake. Sorry guys, it's so dark in here. Can't see anything, but that's supposed to be a gorilla in the tree. You look scared at all?
Not doing anything.
What is that? Is that gorilla? Whoa! Whoa! You smiled.
Really?
Yeah. Look at the elephants over there. They're huge. Like life-size. We're walking the mall and there's a little train. We might have to take Owen in the train. There's no one except one family on it. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. Are you serious? Chocolate factory. Look at this. It smells heavenly. Is that why all the stores are closed in the mall?
Yeah,
the power went out. What's your favorite thing in this place?
Probably the tiger butter bark that I made.
That you made? Is it this?
Yep. I'm gonna agree with him.
This right here. All right, let me try this bad boy.
Yeah.
It's good. Some fudge. Is that Rocky Road?
Yeah.
I see a marshmallow. That's how I knew.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's deliciousness.
Thank you.
Just let move out so that people can have samples too. What do you think?
That's good.
Owen's first time in a little quarter machine ride.
Probably.
It's gonna break. Here, I'll do it. It's on this side.
I was just going to sit him on the seat and let you hold him.
It takes 75 cents. What do you do? Whoa! Are you having fun? He's steering. Hurry, you're gonna crash! Owen, look at you go!
It's your first boat.
Whoa, you're gonna get seasick.
We need a bigger boat, Owen. This one ain't gonna work too well.
Yeah, you definitely need a bigger boat, baby. Build-A-Bear Workshop! Guess the power came back on, so we're probably gonna have to go back to the chocolate store. What do you see, Owen?
See a puppy?
You're just more interested in the tag.
Really?
No!
Poor doggy. You just killed him.
We have a camo bear. Owen, look! Oh, he's smiling. Don't eat it. That's the display one. What do you think? Do you want one? You want a camo bear? Oh. It's as big as he is. I guess we're getting a camo bear. Let's go stuff him and give him a heart. Go ahead, baby.
Go ahead. Your mama. You create things.
So how old is he?
Almost 8 months.
He's very alert.
Yes. What is she doing? She's making your bear, Owen.
What are y'all gonna name him?
Sarge.
Sarge. That's a good name. He's camo, you know, it works. Because if not, if I left it on and you pressed on it, it would go everywhere. If you're sitting on that side, it shoots to the wall.
Oh no.
Yeah. It was pretty far. Alright guys, if y'all need any help with your
Yay!
let us know, okay?
Thank you.
Welcome.
Look, Bubby.
There you
It's
go.
your bear. You want to hold him in your lap real quick? You got him? Here you go.
There you go. You got Sarge.
He's all yours. Spoiled dude. Say thank you, Daddy.
Of course.
We're at the aquarium now. Oh, stroller got stuck. Okay. Ooh, look. Are those real? Yeah, they're real, right? They look like they're fake just because they're all swimming in the same direction.
Big swirling fish.
Oh, they're just swimming a big circle all day, huh?
Keep going, you'll get there. Keep going, keep going.
What do you think, Bubby? Look at all the fish.
There's some going against the current.
He does like it.
There's a few going backwards. Wrong way, wrong way.
What do you think? This is just the beginning, and your shirt's glowing. He's so excited. You see the fishies? The lighting is so bad. It's so dark. Whoa.
Those are weird looking.
He's smiling. He loves it. You see the eels? He's trying to touch him. You can touch him.
You can try.
Whoa.
Oh, keep trying. He's running fast.
We're at the aquarium here in Grapevine.
That's a big fish.
I didn't realize that there could be a flash when you're video recording.
Careful.
coming. He's looking at you.
Here comes a big fish.
Wow! Get him, buddy. We got dinner. We got dinner if you can catch him.
I'm inside the bubble. Where's that big yellow fish? There he is. This is kind of cool. You guys can't see, I'm like in a bubble. Hi! Hi, Bubby! Ah. Hi!
Look at this big one.
So cool, it's like a big tunnel.
Look at this big one right here. Look at that one right there.
He's getting tired. Is that a pufferfish?
I don't think so.
It looks like it has,
It's similar.
what is it called? Like pricklies on him.
He's got a smile on his face.
Oh, the stingray's smiling. Don't worry. Be happy.
Yeah.
Where's that turtle at? Do you see the turtle anywhere? Oh, look, here he comes. Right here. Smiling.
Look at that big gigantic one, Dada. You see that big gigantic one right there?
Jellyfish. You don't want to touch those in real life. That's so crazy how they just glow with whatever color.
Neat how they swim.
Fun facts, jellyfish have no heart, blood, or brain. So how are they alive?
Nemo.
And his brother and sister.
And there's
mom and dad.
Dory. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Hi, Nemo. Owen, you gonna touch the starfish?
You see it?
No? Help him, baby. You don't want to touch it? He just wants to play in the water. Whoa. Alright, we're back home from Grapevine Mall, and we had a blast at the aquarium. Owen really enjoyed it. I can't wait till we can take him to the zoo soon. And we're just chilling. We're trying to see if Owen likes VeggieTales, and so far he is not interested. But as soon as Sesame Street comes on, glued to the TV. Right, Shelly?
Yes, that boy is glued. He likes Ernie and
Grover and Elmo and Big Bird.
Are you gonna fly? Patty cake. You gonna do it? You gonna do it? Patty cake. Big girl's man. Nope, he's done.
Okay guys, it's 11:45. We just finished watching a movie and it's time for bed. Timmy unfortunately works tomorrow. And I'm with Shelly all day. We don't know what we're going to do yet. Maybe just relax. So Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. He won't be able to throw an earthworm. Okay, lady, I have a green light and you're just sitting here walking the street. Walking in the middle of the road. And she had no bra on, so her boobs were flopping everywhere. Okay. I might edit that out. Anyways, I'm on my way to Sonic. Ocean water sled. Here I come. My mother-in-law's taking a nap while Owen's taking a nap. She had a long way to drive. And it's getting really cold here in Fort Worth. It's dropped down to the 70s. You want to know why? I'll show you. Big old storm coming.